What's going on YouTube? It is Sam's Diecast Showroom here. How many of you guys like variation collecting? I sure do love me some variation collecting. And I got two variations to show you guys today. By Hot Wheels, we have the 2001 First Edition's 57 Roadster. It's kind of an extreme version of the 57 Chevy. I believe it's a 57 Chevy at least, or it's based off of something like that. And I have this loose one. I opened this up a couple months ago. I'm pretty sure you guys might have seen it on my YouTube channel. It was in a cut card Hot Wheels unboxing. I opened up a bunch of my cut card Hot Wheels. This is the same exact one, but if you can tell, this has micro 5-spokes in the front. This has mini gear wheels in the front. So the variation here is the front wheels. And as you can see, I'll compare these, but this is metal on metal casting. 2001 First Editions. 57 Roadster, number 32 of 36. And take a nice look at the 2001 card art. Collector number 52 for 2001. I believe there's 240 in the year. There we go. We're going to be cracking this one open as well, and we're going to have two variations loose. There we go. Collect all 36 models in the 2001 First Edition series. And there's the old Mattel kind of consumer information, stuff like that. Made in China, Malaysia, or Thailand as marked. 2000 copyright on the packaging. These examples are both made in Malaysia. This was at a flea market. I grabbed this for like $1.20, I believe. I'm going to be cracking it open today. Pretty awesome. Pretty clean open. And there we go. Two variations of this 57 Roadster. Check that out. With the wheel variation in the front. Got to love it. Look at this. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. All right. Blown engine on the top. Metal body. That's a bright red. Beige interior. Kind of a tan or beige interior. Love the silver pinstriping. And there's the other side there. Very awesome. And then, yeah, that's got to be like a Bel Air or something. Take a look at the back. Kind of a different design there of the 57 Bel Air. It's kind of like a tuned out variation. Not sure what it's based off, though. I believe it's based off a Bel Air. Probably, most likely, a Chevy. But yeah, look at the front. That's got to be a Bel Air, like a really stretched out and rotted out Bel Air. Yeah, not much more to say, guys. Thank you all for checking this short video out. Please subscribe for more like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.